Alright, so in this video we're using market structure, price action, support and resistance, and areas of confluence. So right now we are having a buy on gold, and the time frame we are on the 1 minute, and the reason for this trade is very simple. So using market structure, we are going to first identify the direction, and right now we are in for a buy, so meaning we are going to be looking for higher highs and lower highs, and then higher highs. So if you to look on the left hand side here, the market was in this downtrend, and the market was making lower lows and lower highs here. So we marked this as our key level, this one, as this was the last lower high that was created in this downtrend. So as price broke above this level here, then this is indicating that the market was going to reverse. So here we had our breakout here, and the market created a higher high. Then we had the market pulling back downwards, creating a higher low. Then still the market gave us another impulse to the upside, creating another higher high above that level. So here I drew my trend line, connect these 2 points here, connect these two higher lows, this one and this one, and that was our trend line. So using our price action, we are having the market breaking above this zone here, creating a new higher high. So with this market closing above here, we are getting our confirmation for a continuation to the upside. So that is where I took our buys. So right now we are floating above about $15, and we are trading with only $100. So let's see how far this setup can take us, how much we can make with only $100. And if you're to look left, we're expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside up to this resistance, because we still have this clean range up to this zone of resistance. So meaning the market is most likely to push up to that zone there. So I want to see the market coming back to this trend line here in order for me to add in more entries up to that support there. So I'm expecting to add in more entries, but I want the market to pull back to test this trend line. Then we see if we can add in more positions. Right, so here when the market taps around this zone here, I'm gonna be adding in my next entries around this zone here. This is gonna be my next buying zone here. So you're seeing prices tapping into this zone here. I'm gonna put in buy positions, entering in buy position zone there. We're having more buys here. So our first buy position is around here. Then the next one is this one here. Let us see if we can continue pushing to the upside. That would be my last buy position. Then the next thing we shall be having is a take profit. We're expecting our third touch around that zone, which is happening right there. So the market should be respecting our trend line. And then we are going to get another move to the upside. So we need to see price respecting the trend line here, and if you are to get an engulfing candle of this one taking out the sellers, then that would be a very nice signal for us. Very nice, we are getting this engulfing candle which is coming off our trend line, so meaning price is respecting the trend line very well. So on the closure of this candle, we can still add in more positions because we are seeing that price is respecting our trend line very well. Very nice. So our trend line is proving to be strong, and we're gonna have more buyers coming off soon. Let's see how this candle closes. That's why you need price action. You don't have to just this candle until it closes. It has to first close, then yeah, because it can still reject. So the candle has closed, and in this last candle here, it has formed a zone of support exactly on our trend line. So meaning with that, we can still add in our position because that is a very nice strong signal for us to buy. So remember, we're doing this with only $100. We want to see at the end of the day how much we are going to be having. Very nice push to the upside. And if you want to trade with us live, we have our live trading group. You can join. The links will be dropped in the comment section. Yes, guys. So I think with this simple strategy, we have been able to double the account already. So with this, I think you can even take some profits here. We're gonna close it at that, and then call it a day. So if you're interested in learning more of this strategy, you can check out our website at forexhash.com. You'll be able to learn these simple techniques about resistance, trend lines, and price action. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.